In today's video, I'll be talking about complex sentences. A complex sentence is a sentence where we find that there is one principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses. So, principal clause is a clause which is not depending on other clauses for its meaning, and subordinate clauses are such clauses which depend on principal clause for their meaning. Now let's understand what is a clause. Clause means collection of some words, a few words which have subject and a verb. So when we say principal clause, so principal clause means the main clause which is which consists of a subject and a verb, and normally it gives us a very simple meaning about anything. It gives us information about anything, any situation, any event, or anything. So we can say simply we can use subject and a verb. So if there is one subject and one verb and it's giving complete meaning to us, we call it a principal clause. And subordinate clause starting with a subordinating conjunction, that would be because, if, after, before, till, until, unless, since, these kind of conjunction, when, where, why, how, these kind of conjunction would be there, and along with it a subject and a verb. So three things should be there in a subordinate clause: one subordinating conjunction, one subject, and one verb, and together they make a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause actually depends on principal clause for its meaning. So if I say Tom went to a mall, there he no, not there actually. Tom went to a mall where he bought some articles, some stuffs. So here we see Tom went to a mall. It gives a clear meaning to us. It's not depending on any other clauses. But the other part, that is where he bought some stuffs or article, it is depending on principal clause for its meaning. Okay. I can give you another example. If I say, I really don't know when he will come. So I really don't know. This is a principal clause. When he will come, it is a subordinating, subordinating